We will be discussing some amazing tips for newbie fitness. As someone who is new to fitness, the following tips will help you lose excess fat. Creating a low-calorie eating plan that you can stick to for a long period is the greatest approach to losing weight and keeping it off. Additionally, exercise on a daily basis to burn calories and maintain your heart in good shape. There are lots of methods and ideas you may use to assist you achieve your short-term objectives if you simply want to lose a few pounds quickly. 1. If you like fish and vegetables, try the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet, for example, may be able to help you maintain your weight reduction. It is inspired by the traditional ingredients and culinary techniques of those who live near the Mediterranean Sea. According to studies, individuals who follow this diet have a lower risk of heart disease, and it also helps you lose weight and appear lean and trim. Avoid bread, dairy, and processed foods if you wish to attempt the Mediterranean diet. Instead, base your meals on the items listed below. Fish, olive oil, vegetables, beans and other legumes, fruit, beans and other legumes, spices, nuts. 2. To avoid processed foods, try the paleo diet. They didn't have time to make cupcakes or cook potato chips while cavemen still controlled the world. The paleo diet, short for Paleolithic, aims to replicate the food of our forefathers and mothers, arguing that our bodies aren't designed to handle contemporary ingredients and cooking methods. You consume meat, vegetables, fruit, and other things that would have been accessible at the time, but avoiding anything that paleo people would not have eaten. Artificial sweeteners and cereals are not permitted. 3. If you love fresh vegetables and fruits, try the raw food diet. This one is for you if you don't like meat and don't want to cook. The raw food diet consists solely of uncooked foods. You lose weight by eating a lot of fresh fruits and veggies. The raw food diet also allows coconut milk, almonds, seeds, and other uncooked foods. Searching the internet for recipes for delicious raw food meals is a good place to start. A long-term raw food diet, according to dietitians, may deplete vital nutrients. 4. Choose low-calorie alternatives to your favorite high-calorie meals. Most foods offer healthier alternatives that enable you to enjoy your favorites without the added fat, sugar, or calories. You may lose weight quicker by replacing high-calorie processed meals and beverages with healthy options. Consider becoming vegetarian a couple of times a week. You may reduce your daily calorie consumption while adding numerous nutrients to your diet by substituting meat with healthy foods like beans, tofu, or lentils. Instead of a manufactured cookie or cake, have some wonderful fruit for dessert. Replace potato chips and candy bars with nutrient-dense, low-calorie, low-fat snacks. Try string cheese with a handful of grapes, peanut butter on a few crackers, or sliced red pepper dipped in a few tablespoons of hummus. Replace your usual salad dressing with vinegar and lemon juice. Instead of butter, use a tablespoon of monounsaturated fats. It has the same amount of calories as butter, but it is a healthier fat. 5. To conserve calories, avoid sugary beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages may rapidly add calories to your diet, so you should avoid them. Sugary soda, sweetened tea and coffee, and juice should all be avoided. Drink water, tea, black coffee, or seltzer instead. If you drink water or unsweet tea instead of soda, coffee, alcohol, juice, or milk, you may save hundreds of calories each day. 6. Increase your intake of filling meals. Some meals may help you feel filled sooner and remain fuller for longer. Protein, fat, and fiber are all included in many of these meals. Foods that help keep your blood sugar steady, on the other hand, are excellent choices since they help you control your hunger. If you want to feel satisfied for longer, try including the following foods. Veggies that aren't starchy: nuts and seeds from fish, legumes and beans, grapefruit, oatmeal, apples, eggs, leafy greens with ginger. Click on the first link below to see a fat burner supplement that helped me lose 40 pounds in a few weeks.